like a movie. I'll pick you up, we'll go eat sushi.
So, ayun na siya.
Or we'll go downtown. With our best moves we can boogie. Oh my, we both look so fly.
Hi guys! So finally, nasa Osaka na kami. Going to our hotel, we availed the Nankai Limited Express Rapid ticket via Klook. So this is around 1K. And then doon na kami nagpa-schedule ng train kasi hindi kami sure kung anong oras kami matatapos sa immigration. And then guys, first day pa lang, nahirapan na agad kami sa stairs. So anyway, from Namba Station, we took the red line going to Machi Station. And then 14 minutes walk na siya going to our Hotel San Luis. Ang lamig! Ah! That's our hotel. Hotel San Luis. Ang maganda, ang daming establishment sa labas na. May McDonald's there. Then may near din na Family Mall. So let's go. So, we stayed at Hotel San Luis, Osaka, Homachi. And we booked this via Agoda. So I'll just put the link below if you're interested. So it's around 14,000. For I think 5 days. So, very maganda yung location. And then, ayun. So guys, room tour. We're staying here sa Hotel San Luis. So, maliit lang siya. So, ayun lang. May full length body mirror dito. And then, yung bed. So, ito na agad yung CR. Ayan. Complete naman na sila here. Day 1. It's already past 9 PM. So, kakain pa lang kami ng dinner today. So, mag-freshen up lang kami saglit. And then, bababa na kami. We're planning to go to Glicoman. Kasi gusto namin mag-ramen and ano yun? Takoyaki. Bye! Kaya, alis na kami. So, ito lang yung fit ko. Wala pa kaming heat tech na suot. Kasi sayang. So, currently, 3 degrees ngayon. And then, naka 3 layers ako. Pero sando lang kasi yung una. Sando. Tapos yung half zip. Sorry, quarter zip. And then, etong bomber jacket. So, ay, and then sa pambaba, yung Nike lang na leggings. So, kaya naman, malamig lang. As in, sobrang lamig. Sa mukha, masakit yung hangin pag humangin! Ano ba? So, ayan. Bye-bye! So, mag-Family Mart na lang kami kasi 22 minutes away yung Glicoman sa amin by walk. Pero at least malapit pa rin. So, bukas na lang kami pupunta. So, there.
We are goofy. Playing tag in the jacuzzi. We'll go upstairs. With our best moves we get groovy. My, we both look so fly, like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us.
Hi guys, good morning. So today is February 11, around 8:11 AM. So yung weather today ay hindi ko alam. Pero anyway, on the way na kami sa train station. Ang agenda namin today is lahat ng pwede puntahan sa Osaka Amazing Pass. So nag-avail lang kami via Klook. So meron na rin yung free na train na mga sakay. So ayun, ang lamig guys. Tapos kanina kumain lang kami sa Family Mart ulit, Family Chiki, and then yung egg sandwich pa rin yung kinain namin. So mga around 200 yung combo na yun. So yun na lang yung kinain namin. And then malapit lang kasi siya sa amin, like mga 1 to 2 minutes walk lang kasi sobrang lapit lang. Grabe, naka-ano lang ako, 2 layer. So as in, yung heat tech and then yung jacket agad. And then sa pambaba, yung heat tech and then yung palda. So ang lamig, sobrang lamig. Pero kahapon kasi kagabi hindi kami naka-heat tech at all eh. Pero kinaya naman namin. Malamig lang talaga sa mukha yung hangin. So ayun. And then onti lang yung tao sa lugar namin. Pero okay na rin. Nasa Osaka Castle na kami. Walk, siya, 20 minutes walk from the station. Nakalimutan ko kung ano yung station, lalagay ko na lang. Pero 1 stop away lang siya sa amin. Sobrang lapit. Ang lamig. Hi.
Hello.
Osaka Castle. So, ayun na siya. Ang lamig.
Sorry.
Guys. So, hinahanap namin yung secret location here sa Osaka Castle. Hindi namin makita. Hindi na kami pumasok. Guys, we found the hidden spot. Hindi naman siya hidden spot kasi maraming pumupunta. Pero, ayun yung Osaka Castle. And then, sa may left nyo. Dito siya. Tapos, ayan na. Ito yung pond. Kasi nasa left side yung pond. Tapos, ayun. Doon. Tapos yan, pagilid. Yun na yung view. Maglalagay ako ng sample pictures there. Hello, next destination, Omeda Sky. So, from the Osaka Castle, naglakad lang kami. Pumunta kami ng Osaka Line. And then, sumakay kami doon. And then, hindi tinatanggap dun yung Osaka Amazing Pass. So, bumili kami ng Icoca card. So, ayun. Tapos, bumaba kami sa may Osaka. And then, walking distance again yung Omeda Sky for 20 minutes. So, lahat dito, puro lakad talaga. Lamig. Yung current temperature is 5, but feels like 2, sabi ng weather. Guys, bili kayo ng, kung lamigin kayo, bili kayo ng gloves. So, ayan. Ayan na siya.
Maybe we should let this fall apart. Feel so stupid for falling for you. I should've listened to my friends when they told me not to.
Check that.
They said you nothing but a one night stand, trip to Candyland. If you get too close, then you might understand. But I'm
Guys, we're currently here in Blue Bottle. Order lang kami ng cafe latte ata. So, yun, papahinga lang kami saglit, and then later, we'll be going to Loft, as in, mga sobrang lapit lang niya, and then, babalik na kami ng Shinsaibashi kasi mag-shopping lang kami ng onte, kasi onte lang yung damit na dala namin. So, hey, we're going to Loft. Tingin! Cute! Hi guys! 5:49 lang kami nag-lunch. So, lunch dinner na siya. Sa ano lang po, sa gilid-gilid ng mga ramen. So, I got this. Hindi ko alam yung name. And then yun. Sobra. Init. Sarap. Sarap. Parang tantanmen ba yung sa'yo? Hindi. Sa akin din eh.
Nakagulo na daw doon.
Bakit?
Nagalit na yun. Daming deliver.
Hi guys, it's 8:32 na. And nasa Glicoman kami. Daming tao.
Let them think that we are crazy when we drive around in our Mercedes. We're out all night or at home lazy. We're living like we're in the 80s. My